Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Denis and I'm a real estate broker here in the sunny Miami. And today we're about to tour one of the condos at Residences and the Ritz-Carlton Sunny Isles Beach. Let's go. Guys, welcome to Ritz-Carlton Residences. So let me tell you about the project in general. That building was finished about 2 years ago. It was built by Chateau and Fendi Group. Ritz-Carlton, of course, everybody knows about that name, one of the biggest hotel brands and very well known for the services, for the hospitality in the world. So that building has no hotel component. It only includes 8 hotel guest, not hotel, like hotel guest suites only for the residents of the building. And if you have any guests here, they can stay at those units. By the way, they are great. I've seen them, you have to see it. Nothing else to say. So let's get back to the project. This unit in particular is 3-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, flow-through unit, east ocean, west bay. I call it always sunrise and sunset. I think that's the best how you can describe it, right? So the kitchen is fully customized, fully built out with the Gaggenau appliances. We have 50 bottles, wine cooler. We do have a Sub-Zero quartz. Usually here, I can tell you from my experience in Miami, it's a quartz because it's much easier to clean. We do have a Gaggenau oven, coffee machine, steam oven. I think it's pretty convenient kitchen. I like that bar stand with the wood panel. It's really good when you when you want to have a breakfast or I don't know, like a chat to someone who's at the kitchen. Those bar stools, it's a really good addition to the kitchen always, my opinion. You have to have it. All right, let's see the rest of the unit. This part is a media room, a lounge area. And by the way, some of the owners, what they did, they enclosed this part with a wall, and we have a shared bathroom here with a 3rd bedroom, and you can make 4th bedroom out of it. But personally, my opinion, right, what I like about that unit, that they keep it open, because it's a great layout, because you can see kitchen from here, you can see living room if someone is sitting there as well, and you can enjoy ocean views, and you have great sunset views as well. You have access to the terrace, and I think after about like 7:45 now, when it gets dark, views from here is incredible because city gets light up, and in Miami it's all about views, guys. By the way, I didn't mention that, but this layout, when you have bedrooms, few bedrooms, like 2 or 3 bedrooms on one side and main bedroom on the other side, it's really great for people with their families, because you have a kids here on one side of the condo, right, and you got your master suite on the other side. So this bedroom has views as every bedroom in this condo, as well as you have a built-in closets with lighting. You have fully furnished, as I said, unit with 2 single beds, and everything is set up to go. Bathroom is fully built out with a marble floor, lacquered wood, and top-of-the-line finishes. Right here we have a 3rd bedroom, as well as with bath and washer and dryer room, I call it that way. 3rd bedroom has their own ensuite, fully built out, same as every bedroom in this condo. It's a generous size of the bedroom, since it's not a master bedroom. We have a king-size bed. We have a walk-in closet on this side with the lighting, and as well we have a views. Every part of this unit has a views. Miami, it's all about views, guys. Let's go and see the best part of this condo. It's a master bedroom that faces the ocean with own huge terrace and master bath suite. Ritz-Carlton has many amenities to offer to their residences. They do have a gym, they have a pool, they have two pools by the way, one sunset, one sunrise. They do have many classes at the gym, kids room, they have a nanny. By the way, sunset pool, it's a good thing to have, especially in the Sunny Isles Beach, because you have a shadow of your building on the sunrise pool, and after 2-3 p.m. you have a sun in some buildings. I'm not saying about all of them, but it's a good thing to have in the Sunny Isles. So we are in the living room. Living room is, as I said, it's open layout, and you can see from living room, kitchen, and other part of the condo. And you have ocean view here as well as access to your terrace. And let's go, and I'll show you master bedroom. Best part of every condo on the ocean in Miami. So, of course, you have Atlantic Ocean on this side, and I see they did some changes to the layout. They removed bathtub and they create more space for the for the closets, and everything is built out. It's a marble, white marble all over, on the floor, on the walls, everywhere. So guys, this is the best, as I said, part of the unit, but I'd like to show you one more thing, why people buying real estate in Miami. Guys, that's why we're all here for ocean. I've been here 15 years in Miami and I never tired of this view. I hope you like tour of that property. Let me remind you, it's a 3,080 square feet, 3-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 5.6 million asking price, residences in the Sunny Isles Beach. If you have any questions, you let me know in the comments, or you can give me a call. I have all my contact information below that video. And I hope I'll see you soon in my videos or in Miami.